Hello everyone, this is your boy Isaac. Welcome to the Cook Menu. We're still within the territory of Africa. We're in Africa, I think Ghana, right?
Yes.
I have my beautiful lady here who wants to show us something new from Africa, Ghana.
My name is Alexia.
Alexia?
Yes.
Alright, nice having you on the show, Alexia. So can you please tell us a little bit of yourself, please?
Well, like I said, my name is Alexia.
And where are you from, Alexia?
From Ghana, like you already said it.
Alright, so Ghana, where's in Ghana? Where is Ghana, please?
Ghana is in West Africa.
Alright, so
yes.
Thank you so much. She's going to give us something new from West Africa, Ghana. Alright, and so Alexia, what do you have for us?
Today we are going to make bean stew. It's very easy.
Alright, so Alexia, can you please let us know your ingredients, please?
So I'm going to go over my ingredients.
Yeah.
This is the beans. I use the black-eyed beans.
The black-eyed beans?
Yeah.
Let's see how it... Where did you get that from, though?
From the grocery store, but I bought this from the African store. Like most of the grocery stores have it.
Okay.
Every grocery store that sells beans will have this.
We'll have this. Alright, so
yes.
black-eyed beans.
Yes.
Is this something that you normally use, or?
Yes, I know this is what we use in Ghana. Like every bean stew that we use, this is what we use. This is what I know. So. Alright.
We have different kinds of beans, but then she preferred to be using this as. She said, I think this is the ones that they normally use in Ghana. Alright, so let's go over again what it...
So this is the beans, and because of the time, I have already cooked it because it takes a while to cook.
Oh, yes.
It will take probably more than 30 minutes for it to get soft. And you will know the beans is ready when you touch it and you squeeze it and it's able to like mash like this, then it's like it's ready.
I see. And so when you were cooking the beans to add salt...
Well, in Ghana they add something, but I didn't. You know, it's that thing is not that healthy, right? So I didn't add it. So I didn't add nothing, just water.
No baking soda or...
No, I didn't add nothing. You know,
Alright.
yeah.
But yet you were still able to cook it on long time. Okay.
This is my salmon, fresh salmon. Okay. This is onion, ginger, and pepper. This is my fresh tomato cuts. I already cut them.
Alright.
And this is like onion and salted fish.
The salted fish.
Cow-pea.
Cow-pea.
That
is how you say it in Ghana, right?
Yes.
Cow-pea.
Cow-pea.
Alright, it's a salted fish, but then it's called cow-pea. Alright.
This is my palm oil. Engo.
Engo in Ghana.
Yes.
Alright, and then you have what?
This is my tomato paste. I bought this from the grocery store. And this is my corned beef from the grocery store as well. Yeah.
Hello Ghana, here we come. We are coming to your way today. I know you will really love this food. What are you going to do next after you have shown us your ingredients?
So now we're going to start making the stew. But before we start, I'm going to first cook my salmon because it's fresh. Most people will buy the smoked salmon from the store, but I prefer the fresh one. So I will cook it and also bake it, or you can also air fry it. It doesn't really matter how you're going to get it ready, but I prefer cooking it.
Cooking it, okay.
It just takes a few minutes and it'll be ready.
Alright.
So yeah.
So you will leave it on the stove for how many minutes, please?
Within 5-10 minutes.
10 minutes to shoot.
Yeah, when you see it boiling, you know, it's fish. It doesn't really take a long time to cook.
Alright.
Yeah. So whilst this is on fire, we are gonna start making the stew. To start, I put my pan on the fire and I'm gonna turn it off. And we're gonna wait till it heat, like you don't see more water in the saucepan.
So just a second. So this will be on for some time.
Yeah, you know, you wash your bowl and you put it on the fire, so it's like you see water.
Oh, okay.
You know, when there's water in your saucepan and you put oil.
So you're trying to dry it.
Yeah.
Alright.
So now I'm gonna put my palm oil in the saucepan.
Okay. And do you have to also leave that on for a while?
You leave it on for a while.
Okay.
For
Alright.
about like 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
When it's heat, you are going to put your cow-pea, which is the salted fish, and the onion. You're gonna put it together.
The cow-pea.
And the onion.
And then the onion together. Alright. We can just hear the noise coming out from the palm oil. So now this is your salted fish, which is the cow-pea.
Yes.
And then your onion.
Yes. So you're gonna be doing this for like 10 minutes. But this all gonna depend on how high your fire is. Okay. Yes.
If it is on high, it will take short time. If
yeah.
it is on low, it will take
a while. Yeah.
Alright, I see.
Whilst our oil is on fire, I'm going to blend the onion, the ginger, and the pepper
together. All right.
And we are gonna put it in our stew. I'm gonna put my blended onion, ginger, and pepper.
All right.
In the oil.
Okay. Alright, so I can see that as Alexia was trying to put down the ingredients, I can see that she lowered the stove. And so make sure anytime you're trying to do something like that, lower the stove so that you don't get burnt.
We can leave it on for like 10 minutes and we will check and see if it's ready.
See if it's ready. Okay. Alright, so viewers, we are still on the cook menu. This is a show that is bringing you all sort of food around the world, okay? And so if you want to see this kind of food, I mean, you're talking about all cultured food, I will ask you to please subscribe to the channel and don't go anywhere because you have so many coming on your way. All right, Alexia.
Right now we can add our cut tomatoes. Yes.
Okay, so we're going to add our cut tomatoes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now we are adding our cut tomatoes inside our blended
ginger, pepper, palm oil,
Kobe. That is what I want to hear. I wish you guys are here to smell the Kobe, you understand? This is a very unique salted fish. Well, I don't know if you have ever tried a salted fish.
At this stage, we're going to add the tomato paste into the stew. Yes.
The fresh one has to go in before tomato paste, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you not going to add everything?
No, I think it's too much.
It's too much?
Yeah.
Okay, so normally...
Depends on how much beans you cooked or how much beans you use, and you know what I mean? Because I already used the fresh tomatoes in our tomato paste. Because people normally wouldn't even use this. They would just use the fresh tomatoes, the cut ones.
Yes.
And that would be it.
Alexia has tomato paste added.
Yes.
And I think has been on the stove for about...
15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay.
Yeah, so right now it's actually a stew. This is like a stew on its own.
Alright.
So now I'm gonna add my season, and this is Sankofa. It's a Ghana season.
Right, let me see. So this is called Sankofa.
You can actually add whatever season you wanna add, but I prefer using Sankofa because that's
so
what I have
you
today.
may have an alternative, but this is what she prefers to use. Anyways, and so you can only get this kind from
African store.
Yeah. Alright, okay. Okay.
So I'll put it in.
Sankofa. Do you know the meaning of Sankofa?
What does it mean?
So Sankofa is a Ghanaian term that is used sometimes. You may abandon something, and then that what you have abandoned, there's a need for it, and so you can still go for it. That is what is called Sankofa, the meaning. Yes.
So after that, I would want to add my salmon to the stew.
All right. Let's get it done then.
Now I'm gonna take out the bones because you don't want everything in the stew.
Okay.
You know, like this stuff, the bone, cut out, and the fish.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I see. I see. Are you going to blend this or?
No, I'm not gonna blend it. I'm just gonna cut them into pieces.
Oh, okay. Okay. Right now it's a stew on itself. You can eat this stew without adding anything. You can decide not to even add the beans, and you can have the same purpose. But I think the beans will make it very nutritious, right?
Yes.
That is why, okay.
So now we're gonna add the beans. Yeah.
No, I thought you could go for this before.
The corned beef, I actually add my corned beef last time. When you put corned beef in a stew, like it was just like dissolve everywhere.
Yes.
And sometimes you don't even know there's a corned beef in the stew. I don't want it that way. I want to actually see there's corned beef in the stew. So I put it last so that it doesn't like, you know,
dissolve. So you don't want... So you've turned the corned beef to be like an egg.
Natural, like egg and not meat or
chicken. You understand? Alright, anyways, that is it. Let's add our beans. Check our stew. The stew alone can be a main stew without not even adding the beans. But because of how nutritious we want it to be, we are going to add our beans. Alright. And you're going to stir it, right?
Yes.
But why do you stir?
So that the stew and the beans will go everywhere. You don't want to leave your beans sitting in the stew.
All right.
Yes. And at this point, I'm just gonna add my corned beef to it. And after a few minutes, it's gonna be ready.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
This is the corned beef being added to the stew. Not long after we have added the beans. Okay. So this is how you want yours. You don't want it to dissolve.
No.
Okay.
A little dissolved, but not like everything gone.
Okay.
I don't even see corned beef in my stew.
Our stew is almost ready, but at what point do you have to add the salt?
After I put everything, because normally like you use different type of seasoning in your stew.
Okay.
I mean, this one we just use one seasoning, right? But it's like most of the time when you're cooking, you use different type of seasoning, and most of the seasoning has salt. So I don't really add salt to my food. I add it when after I add everything and I taste it and I feel like it makes more salt. So then I'll add more salt.
Then you add.
And personally, I don't really like salt. So it's like most of the time I don't even really add salt to my food. But I'm gonna put a little salt.
Okay. And the salt, do you measure the salt or?
No, I don't measure. I use my eyes.
Oh. Alright viewers, so the food right now is ready. It looks so attractive, very tempting.
It is.
But she has to give me the opportunity.
Oh la la.
Oh la la.
This looks good.
This is our final product of the bean stew. It looks so great, very nice, very amusing, and then I can't wait to try it. Can you please have me a plate? Oh!
I can put it here. That's your food.
Alright! I want to even mention of it. Our plantain is also ready, and then we have the cooked rice that is also ready.
Yes.
And with the bean stew, one thing about the bean stew, you can use the bean stew to eat whatever you want. You can use it for plantain, you can use it for rice, you can use it for cocoyam. Do you know cocoyam?
Yeah.
Alright. You can also use it for anything that you want to eat with. Alright. And so let me have a taste of how this could.
You see my corned beef? I'll set it right here.
You want to try it, right? You want to try it. Anyways, you are not here with me, so you can't have a taste of it. But you can try it at home, since you now know the process of how to make a bean stew. I think it's good enough.
Good?
Yeah, it's good enough. Alright, so viewers, I am going to try the food. It's hot.
It's actually hot.
Alicia,
Yes?
so you made the food yourself?
I did. You were here.
Let me have one more taste, please. I'm really enjoying the food. So it's very simple to make bean stew from Ghana. It's not so hard to make a bean stew. You go on the process of how Alicia made it. There's no way you can do it yourself. And so please watch the cook menu so that you can.
Bean stew, you can make it yourself at home. Very easy.
That's great. Thank you so much, Alicia, for coming on the show to show us
Thank you
how
for having me.
the
My
bean stew
pleasure.
is done. Thank you so much and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.